Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Italian pinwheels. For this very easy recipe, all we use flour tortillas, cream cheese, salami, and cheese slices. I'm going to use provolone, but you can use any cheese you like. So all we need to do is take the tortilla and spread it with cream cheese. And now next step would be to add other ingredients. So I'm going to add salami. So just put it in the middle so it's easier to roll. And now I'm going to add cheese. And you can add other ingredients if you like, such as lettuce. And so now once it's assembled, next step is we will roll it. So now I will roll it up. So this stand is slightly smaller, so I'm going to start from this. So I'm just going to fold it over the filling and then roll as tightly as possible. Perfect. So just press it to kind of glue the cream cheese and slice it into pinwheels. So it makes perfect small pinwheels. If you use the larger tortilla, they'd be slightly bigger, but here they are, so perfectly formed together. Perfect. Look at these Italian pinwheels. They look amazing. This makes a perfect party appetizer, or they're filling enough to be a main dish. And they're so delicious. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So good. They're delicious. This is a perfect combination of creamy cream cheese and salami and provolone cheese in a tortilla. This is so good, so quick and easy to make, and it's a party favorite. People love those. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!